Hey guys, this is Hamid. I participated in one of the cohorts of Prime Talent AWS Restart program and had the great chance to be exposed to the basics of the AWS cloud. During this program, we had a fantastic behavioral trainer which worked with us and reviewed with us all the necessary professional skills at work. And also we had a technical trainer which taught us and reviewed with us actually all the basics and fundamentals of AWS cloud and the basic knowledge basically you need to know about the AWS cloud. And also a fantastic lab practitioner trainer to work with us about the hands-on experience and basically lots of labs that what exactly you need to do to implement and work with all these architectures in AWS cloud. And also a fantastic students relation manager who worked with us to improve our CV, our LinkedIn, and basically how to present ourselves to the employers, to the potential recruiters, and also shared with us different job opportunities in the UK as well as job fairs. And actually in one of these workshops I had the great chance to come across this company that then later I just became a data solutions analyst with them in the energy domain. So I really recommend that if you don't have any jobs, you're unemployed, or if you have made redundant, or if you have some spare time, then I totally recommend you to participate in this course with Prime Talent. You won't lose anything. There's nothing that you can lose, and actually just bear in mind that the cloud is the future. So, and now all the jobs are just moving to the future, to the cloud. So if you want to get future ready, and if you want to increase your employability chances, then I totally recommend you to participate in one of the cohorts of Prime Talent and just dedicate and focus and basically work. It's not just a matter of participating, actually it's a matter of engaging and dedicating with all your body and soul basically in this program, so that you could get successful. So yeah, that's what I really recommend, and Prime Talent was really helpful for me in securing this fantastic job, because it's actually my dream job where I will have the chance to implement data and machine learning models in the AWS cloud in the energy domain to basically leverage my energy systems knowledge and the machine learning knowledge and skills that I have to implement them in the cloud. And I'm really passionate about this, and I totally recommend you to participate in this course if you can. And actually you will have the chance to earn a few knowledge badges and certifications, AWS certifications, through this course. So yeah, it's just phenomenal for me, and really recommend you to participate in this course with Prime Talent. Thank you.